Okay, so we got another limit problem here. This is the limit as x goes to 0 of 3 times sine squared of x plus cosine squared x. And so there's no denominator here, so you don't have to worry about having a 0 there. There's no tricks like that. But there's actually one trick that we can do that's going to make this problem super simple, and that is recognizing that we have a trig identity here inside the parentheses. So the sine squared of x plus the cosine squared of x is equal to 1. That is known as the Pythagorean identity. And then what we can do is we can just plug in 1 for this whole thing here, and then this is the limit as x goes to 0 of 3 times 1 equals 3. And now actually if you just sub it in, you can see that this is indeed true. So if you put in the 0 there on sine squared of x, that is 0. Cosine squared of x at 0 is 1, so that also becomes 3 times 1 is 3 for the limit. But you should always be looking out for things like this. This identity here is super helpful in simplifying things when you have trig functions involved.